So during gastrulation, what happen? The following type of the cell movements are there. First is invagination, which is enfolding of the cell. Involution is there, ingression is there, delamination and epiboly. These are the, here is the list of the cell movements which actually occur during the process of gastrula formation. So if we talk about invagination means what? Enfolding of the cell sheet into the embryo. So just consider the first diagram and the second diagram. Here in first cell you can see ki endodermal cells are there, which are usually heavy because of the cytoplasm, because of the aguic content and the cytoplasm. So the endodermal cell show invagination type of the cell movement. Here you can see in the second diagram the endodermal cell just undergo enfolding that result in formation of a tube-like structure, which ultimately result in formation of the digestive tract. Here you can see ki with enfolding a blastopore is created here. This blastopore can result in formation of mouth or anus. So if this blastopore, it result in formation of the mouth, in that case the animals are categorized into as a protostomes, right? So usually lower invertebrates animals are there in this particular category. If this blastopore, it result in formation of the anus, in that case the animal type is known as deuterostome, right? So in higher animals, usually the blastopore result in formation of the anus, right? So anus formation that take place first, thereafter the mouth formation, and with further development this particular tube, it grow and it fuse with the wall which is opposite to it, right? That result in formation of a continuous tube which later on can develop into the digestive tract. If we talk about the other type of the cell movement, here involution is there. So what happen in involution? So it is the turning in of the cell sheet over the basal surface of the outer layer. So here what happen? A cell just here you can see that two layers of the cells are there, and with involution what happen? That enfolding of the cells that result.